There's something about the sound of sautéing garlic and onions that feels like home. Not the loud or crazy kind of home, the quiet kind, the kind that lives in your memory.
Ano daw?
Today, we're
Matamis na
making
kasi.
Ginisang Munggo, a simple Filipino dish that somehow carries entire childhood memories inside one pot. Here are the ingredients. As the mung beans slowly simmer, the kitchen begins to smell familiar, like rainy afternoons. Squeaking sound of the old table. The house cat cuddles you under the table. This isn't fancy cooking. No complicated techniques. No expensive ingredients. Just garlic, onions, tomatoes. A little patience and flavor that feels older than we are. As you keep on stirring, and suddenly you're not just cooking anymore. You're remembering. Maybe your grandmother made this after a long day. Maybe your mother cooked this every Friday, paired with some fried fish or with chicken adobo. Maybe this was the meal waiting for you after school while the rain is tapping against the window. I remember my uncle cooking this while super drunk. Paired it with a grilled catfish and shredded green mangoes. It was the most satisfying meal I've ever had. Some dishes feed hunger, but this dish feeds memory too. And somehow, even after all these years, the taste never changes. It still feels warm, still feels safe, still tastes like being welcome home. As the mung beans simmer gently, memories start showing up without warning. Afternoons spent outside until the streetlights came on, wet sleepers by the door during rainy season, the sound of radio music coming from the neighbor's house. Back then, nobody called it comfort food. It was just munggo, food that filled the house with warmth, food that stretched enough for everyone, food that tasted even better the next morning. Tonight is a trip to memory lane. The old AM radio is on, playing Deli Magpayo show. The pot gently bubbles on the stove. And for a little while, life slows down. Just mungo, just memories, just being at home.
Ay, natapos din sa wakas.